Oliver, what have we done today?
Well, it looks like it is the best day to finish the day.
We've done our harvesting, haven't we? Yeah.
So, medium one, another medium one, but this is a good fatty one.
That is a good fat one, isn't it?
Yeah. It will have more seeds in it.
Well, I think the key thing is, because it's a massive pumpkin, people will feel pleased that they're getting seeds for a massive pumpkin. Isn't that so?
And 2 extra pumpkins.
Well, what we need to hope with the little ones is that they're tasty. Good. Right. Back home.